Hello and thanks for joining me for the March 2018 Postman news and updates, the best way to stay up to date with the most important things that have changed in the Postman ecosystem in the last month. Hi, this is Valentine and welcome to another video on Postman, the RESTful API testing tool. If you're new to this channel and want to learn more about Postman, testing, continuous integration and much more, the first step is to click the subscribe button below and the bell icon so that you do not miss anything. Okay, now in a few seconds we'll discuss the following topics, and they are the postman-conference, the postman-enterprise edition, an updated quick reference guide, and I will give you a course update at the end. So let's get started. If you haven't seen it already, the first Postman user conference, the PostCon, will take place for the first time this year in San Francisco in June. And in case you're interested in this event, it's a one-day event, and it actually has a pre-event Postman certification workshop one day before where you can become a Postman expert, and you can attend to that as well. And the second day is actually the conference itself. So if you're in the San Francisco area during this time, maybe you want to check this conference as well. And you can still get early birds tickets until the end of this month, so make sure you check that out as well. Postman-Enterprise has been announced this month as well, and it's designed for larger companies, especially if you're interested in enhanced security and working with a single sign-on and having log audits and static IPs. So in case you're probably already a pro user, you may want to look into this feature as well. There's no trial or something like that. It's just an enhanced version of Postman available for enterprise customers. So if you think you're an enterprise customer and you need really more advanced stuff from Postman, then definitely get in touch with the sales team so that they can better explain you what are the benefits. I have just updated the Postman quick reference guide as well, and you'll find a link to the download right below this video. You want to check that out in case you're just looking for a quick way on how to work with Postman. I've added a couple of examples and other useful things that you guys pointed out that were not 100% correct. So we'll get an updated and corrected versions of the Postman quick reference guide. Regarding that one, if you have any ideas or any corrections or any feedback on that, make sure you leave a comment below and tell me how you're using it and how you're benefiting from it. Last but not least, I wanted to give you a quick course update. This month I've added a completely new section to the course, and it's on workflows and scenarios. And at the end of this section, and at the end of this short section, you'll also have a new assignment which you can do. So if you're interested in workflows and more complicated scenarios, you may want to have a quick look at that as well. Additionally, what I'm working at is the completely new section on assertions. So my idea was to really discuss more complicated assertions, because I've saw a lot of you guys out there are really dealing with these complicated responses, whether they are in JSON format or in XML or anything else. And I'll show you a bit the basics on how you can get to the data that you're looking to get from the response and how to make even more advanced assertions on that data. And I'll send you an announcement as soon as this new section is ready. And after that, I'll be working on another section on the JavaScript basics. And the idea would be to just provide you some insights if you haven't worked with JavaScript before, like what are the basics of the language, how you can get started, how to work with variables, objects, arrays, and so on. And generally regarding the course, if you think that there's something missing in this course and you would like to see it added, just get in touch with me. Tell me what you think about the course, how you think I can improve it, what other lectures on sections I can do better and stuff like that. And I'll be more than interested in getting in touch with you. Okay guys, this is all for this month. I hope you found this useful and thank you for watching.